So let us continue with designing our tutorial page. This is where we had reached in the last video. So let's see what is next. Let's check the original. We need to add another section enabling the visual builder. Yes, this one. Just copy this content in the visual builder tutorials. I add a section. Text module. Then I copy like that. Need to reduce the sizing to around 50%, and then I align it the model in the middle like that. So I need to put this text in the middle like that, enabling the visual builder. Yes. And there is this image, schoolies, professional school website. Let's see, take the screenshot. Let me upload it. Sorry. So let me add the section image. Find the screenshot. So that's it. Screenshot. Upload. Yeah, so that's okay. Next is visual builder basics. Visual builder basics. So let me add another section. Regular section. Now, text. Copy paste and this in the middle. And I come to sizing. Let me reduce this to 50%. That's okay. Then I align the model in the middle like that. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, there is this. Oh, there are these lines. These dividers. Let me add them quickly. So let me create find the divider. Find the line. That's okay. Drag it. Sorry. Drag the divider on its own to the top like that. Sizing width, reduce it, then align it in the middle. Yeah. I increase its weight to 3 pixels. Yeah, that's okay. I'll do the same procedure. Okay, I can just drag this thing. I can just copy it, duplicate module, and then I drag it to here. It's another way of saving time. Again, I duplicate, then I drag to there like that. Now we have the dividers. Good. Let me save that. What is next section? So like I've demonstrated, you can copy, you can basically duplicate a section to avoid having to create it from scratch. Like for instance, the section below this one is almost similar in design, so as the other below them. So instead of having to build each and every one of them from scratch, I just come in, just duplicate this. I duplicate the entire section, or I can also duplicate the entire row. But in this case, I'll duplicate the entire section because a section gives you greater flexibility. If you want to give every section a different design, it is easier when you have duplicated a section rather than having duplicating a row, because rows are inside the section. The section is the largest, how can I put it, maybe largest component. A section carries the rows and the modules. So if you want to have different design of sections, then you need to have to duplicate the section rather than the row, because if you duplicate a row, then the rows, all the rows that you have duplicated will be within one section. So any changes you make with the section will apply to, any design changes with the section will apply to all the rows, which denies you greater flexibility when you want to maybe design different rows separately. So let me duplicate this section. You can see a light here. I have two sections now, the Visual Basics and the Visual Builder Basics. Then I copy the content, this content here, come and go to our module and place what's inside. Then I need to put this in the middle like that. So that's okay. Then again I duplicate this section, come and copy all this content, come here, we edit our module, text module, copy paste our content, then line it in the middle. Again I duplicate this, goes now modules, copy that, come and edit, copy paste and align in the middle. Finally I make our last duplication for, sorry, and there's still one more. Let me, so building your first page, come and edit this module and copy paste our content, then align it in the middle. Finally our last duplication for adding our first section, copy that, and then I come and paste it right there, and align this content in the middle. If I save that, so the next section, we have this image, this screenshot. So I need to add this. Just come and basically, actually I realized that below here you have the similar sections similar to the ones I was duplicating. But first let me add this section of the screenshot. So I add hello, file image module, then I find our screenshot from our resource. Let's see if I can find it. Screenshot. Where is it? There. I think it is this one. Is it? Let's see. No, it's not. Click, drag and drop, duplicate. It's not that one. If I don't, let's see if I find it. Is it this one? Let's see. Yes, that's the one. Click and type. Yes, that's the one. So have it there. Then so that's okay. It is not the exact one, but it's cross, the screenshot is cross. So then I duplicate this entire section right here, then I come and place the content with add your first, doing your first row. I add this content in the middle like that. And I need to replace this image, place this on, place this image, this one. Good. What's next? Your first module. So I can, let me first copy this now that I'm here. Then I need to duplicate this section. Come and edit this text module, copy my content, then I align it in the middle like that. I need to replace our image with this one. So let me click on this and place the image. Let me find the right image. Is it this one? Let's see. Is it the right one? Nope. Sort module. Well, the image is still a module anyway. But so let's see. Okay, let me try to find the right one. So it's the right one. Start module, the first module, then configuring, customizing. So again I need to duplicate a section. Let me copy this, and then I duplicate this section. Come and edit this, copy paste content like that. In the middle, need to replace this image with this image with this one. Yep, can save that. Yes. So what's next? So I need to add this. Copy that. Come and copy, create here. Create allow to add the text module.